Hello, everyone. Have you ever had one of those mornings? Your alarm doesn't work, you spill your coffee, it starts raining, and you forgot your umbrella. And by 9 a.m., you've already decided today is a bad day. But what if that decision is the real problem? What if happiness isn't something that just happens to you? What if you have more control than you think? Today, Mika and James will explore this powerful idea. Simple tools to change how you see difficult moments, and small choices that can change how you feel. You are not a thermometer reacting to everything around you. You are a thermostat. You choose your own temperature. You control your own happiness. Let's begin.
Hello, and welcome back to Slow and Easy English, the podcast where we learn real English through real conversations about life. I'm Mika, and I'm so happy you're here with us today.
And I'm James. Welcome to our little corner of the internet. Come in, get comfortable, maybe grab a cup of tea or coffee.
Today, we're talking about happiness.
Oh, okay.
You sound worried, James.
Well, I hear happiness and I think, oh no, another just smile more conversation.
I understand, but no, this is different, I promise.
Okay, I trust you. So, who is this episode for?
Good question. This episode is for intermediate learners, around B1 or B2 level.
So, we speak slowly, we use simple words.
Yes, and we repeat important ideas.
And remember, there's a transcript, every word written down on our website.
Also a worksheet, vocabulary, questions, exercises, all free.
Link is in the description. Okay, I'm ready. But first, can I tell you something?
Of course.
So, yesterday, I had a terrible morning.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, my alarm didn't work, so I woke up late. Then, I spilled coffee on my white shirt.
Oh,
And then, it started raining, and I forgot my umbrella.
that's a lot.
By 9 a.m., I decided today is bad, nothing can fix it.
Interesting.
What do you mean?
You said you decided.
Well, yeah, bad things happened, so bad day, right?
Maybe, but let me ask you something.
Okay.
The alarm, the coffee, the rain, these things happened outside you, yes?
Yes.
But the decision, today is bad, where did that happen?
Inside me.
Exactly.
Huh. I never thought about it that way.
You closed the door to happiness. You decided early.
But bad things happened. Doesn't that make it a bad day automatically?
This is a great question, and it brings us to our first idea.
Okay, what is it?
I call it the thermostat principle.
Thermostat. Like in a house?
Yes. Do you know what a thermostat does?
It controls the temperature.
Right. You set it to maybe 22 degrees, and the house stays warm.
Even if it's cold outside.
Exactly. The thermostat can't change the weather, but it controls the inside.
Okay, I think I see where this is going.
You are like a thermostat.
Me?
Yes, you can't control outside events, the alarm, the rain, but you can control your inside.
My thoughts? My reactions?
Yes.
But doesn't that mean I should ignore bad things? Pretend everything is fine?
No, not at all.
No?
Controlling happiness doesn't mean pretending. It means choosing how you respond.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine two people. Both stuck in traffic.
Okay.
Same situation, same cars, same waiting.
Right.
Person A thinks, "This is terrible. My day is ruined."
That sounds like me.
Person B thinks, "Well, I can't change this. Let me listen to music."
Same traffic, different experience.
Exactly.
So person A let the traffic control their thermostat,
Yes. And person B?
kept control themselves.
Perfect. You understand.
Thermostat versus thermometer. I like it.
Thermometer just reacts, goes up and down with the environment.
But thermostat chooses its own temperature.
Yes. This is in the worksheet too. You can practice noticing when you're a thermometer.
I need that. I'm a thermometer way too often.
That's okay. Awareness is the first step.
Okay, I have another question.
Please.
In the moment, when something bad happens, I react so fast, I don't feel like I have a choice.
Yes. Many people feel this way.
It's like automatic.
It is automatic. Our brains work fast.
So, how do I slow down?
This brings us to our second idea. I call it input, interpretation, output.
That sounds very technical.
It sounds complicated, but it's simple.
Okay, explain it to me. Slowly.
First, something happens. This is the input.
Like my alarm not working.
Yes. Second, your brain interprets it, gives it meaning.
My brain said, this is a disaster.
Right. And third, you feel something. This is the output.
I felt stressed, frustrated, angry.
So, input, interpretation, output.
Thing happens, I think about it, I feel something.
Yes. Now, which part can you control?
Well, not the input, the alarm just broke,
Right.
and the output, my feelings, they just happen.
Mm-hmm.
So, the interpretation?
Yes, that's where your power is.
But my interpretation happens so fast.
I know. That's why we practice the 3-second pause.
The 3-second pause.
When something happens, you stop. Breathe once, count to 3.
And then?
Ask yourself one question. What's another way to see this?
What's another way to see this?
Yes, the alarm didn't work. What's another way to see it?
Maybe my body needed more sleep.
Good.
Or this is a chance to practice staying calm.
Excellent.
I never think of those things. I just think the universe hates me.
The universe is probably neutral.
Probably, yeah.
In the worksheet, there's an interpretation tracker. You write down what happened, your automatic thought, and a new thought.
I definitely need that. My automatic thoughts are not helpful.
That's very honest.
Okay, I have one more question.
Yes?
Sometimes nothing bad happens, but I still feel blah.
Blah?
You know, flat. Not happy, not sad, just nothing.
Ah, this is a very good question.
Is that strange?
No, very common. And it brings us to our third idea.
What is it?
I call it the happiness diet.
Like food?
Exactly like food.
Okay, explain it.
Think about your body. If you eat healthy food, drink water, sleep well, how do you feel?
Good. Strong.
And if you eat junk food, don't sleep, never exercise,
Terrible. Tired.
your emotions work the same way.
Really?
Yes, some activities give you energy. They feed your happiness.
Like what?
What makes you feel good?
Walking outside, talking to friends, playing guitar.
Beautiful. These are like vegetables for your emotions.
Emotional vegetables.
Yes. And what drains your energy?
Scrolling my phone for hours, watching too much news, staying inside all day.
These are like emotional junk food.
Oh no, I eat a lot of emotional junk food.
Many people do.
I scroll my phone way more than I play guitar.
And then you wonder why you feel blah.
Oh, that's really obvious when you say it.
Sometimes we need someone to say it.
So I need to change my diet.
Yes. There's a simple rule, the 3-to-1 rule.
What's that?
Try to have 3 energizing activities for every 1 draining activity.
3-to-1.
Yes, if you watch 30 minutes of stressful news, balance it with 90 minutes of good things.
Or watch less news.
Exactly, both work.
I think my ratio is 1 to 3, not 3 to 1.
Well, now you know.
In the worksheet, is there something for this?
Yes, a happiness diet tracker. You list your activities and see the balance.
I need that. Okay, one more thing.
Yes?
What about really hard things? Things we truly can't control?
Like what?
People get sick. Jobs are lost. Relationships end. How can I control my happiness when life is genuinely hard?
This is so important. Thank you for asking.
Because I don't want to pretend bad things are good.
No, never pretend. Let me share one more idea, a metaphor.
Okay,
Imagine your mind is a garden.
a garden.
You are the gardener. Now, can you control the weather?
No, storms come.
Exactly. Sometimes too much rain, sometimes no rain.
We can't stop that.
Right. But what can a gardener control?
What to plant?
Yes,
What to water? What weeds to pull?
exactly. Sadness, grief, fear, these are like storms. They will come.
Natural.
Yes, you don't need to pretend storms don't exist, but you can choose what to water.
The flowers or the weeds?
Right. Gratitude, connection, hope, these are flowers.
And bitterness, resentment?
Weeds.
So it's not about never being sad.
No.
It's about not letting sadness take over the whole garden.
Exactly.
I really like this. It feels realistic.
Realistic hope. That's what we want.
Even small flowers matter.
Yes, a moment of gratitude, a kind word to yourself, a few minutes outside.
Small acts of gardening.
They don't erase storms, but they keep your garden alive.
That's beautiful.
Okay, let me summarize what we learned today.
Yes, good idea.
First, the thermostat principle. You can't control outside events, but you can control your inside.
Be a thermostat, not a thermometer.
Second, input, interpretation, output. Your power is in the interpretation. Use the 3-second pause.
What's another way to see this?
Third, the happiness diet. Balance your activities. Follow the 3-to-1 rule.
More vegetables, less junk food.
Yes. And fourth, the garden. You can't stop storms, but you choose what to water.
You know, I was skeptical at first.
I know.
I thought control your happiness was just empty words.
And now?
Now I see it's not about ignoring reality. It's about recognizing my power.
Yes.
I am the gardener. I am the thermostat. I choose my interpretations.
That's empowering.
It really is. Okay, listeners, here's your challenge this week.
We call it the happiness audit.
For 7 days, notice 3 things.
1. When do you act like a thermometer?
2. Practice the 3-second pause once a day.
3. Track your happiness diet.
What's energizing you? What's draining you?
At the end of the week, look at your notes. See the patterns.
This is not about perfection.
Just awareness. Small steps.
All the tools are in the worksheet. Free download. Link in description.
We want to hear from you. What helped today?
Leave a comment. Send a message. Share this episode.
If you know someone who thinks happiness isn't possible for them, share this.
Maybe it will help.
And remember, learning English is also a choice. Every time you practice, you are planting seeds.
Learning and happiness both take patience.
Small daily choices.
Thank you for being here today.
Yes, thank you.
Remember, you are the thermostat.
You are the gardener.
You control more than you think.
You control your own happiness.
You control your own happiness.
Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep planting flowers.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.